Just eating some chip of the Oblay variety. Oh god!
Oh god. That sucks.
No! Oh god! Oh no! No, 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 no! No! No, 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 no! From behind! Let us sleep, you baby. I ended up going to bed at like 10 a.m. so... Alright, let's see. 600 health.
I love this song.
10 a.m. I know. I should have streamed. Hi, Jazz. Look, it's Jazz R Us, like Toys R Us, but Jazz R Us. Okay, Fremmy. Okay, fine. Fine, Fremmy. Hello,
Trash
Fermalicious. Oh my god, Tora, that little emote. Oh my god, I want one. Bitch! Kill this bitch. Kill her. Kill her! Stop making your feathers fly. I'm eating her, I'm eating her. Oh fuck, I didn't get to eat her. Okay. Whew. Bitch! Kill them, kill that bitch.
I just
Kill them, kill them. Oh! Oh my god! Oh my god! Hi! Oh my god, I was like, why is Captain saying sorry?
well. There's food. I'll be right back.
Aww, little chest is woke up. A little aircon king. Little aircon king. Little aircon king.
Akon-kun?
Little aircon king. Guys, say good morning, Aircon Kun.
Aircon-kun.